How to delete website from Google Analytics. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your website from Google Analytics. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for analytics.google.com. After you're there, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you log in into your account, on the left sidebar, if you hover over there, you'll find this admin option. Tap on this admin setting option. And after you do that, here you'll find a property setting. So if you scroll down, you'll see property setting. And under your property setting, you will actually find your website. So head over to property details, and there you'll find your property. Select your property, and to delete this, all you have to do is tap to move it to trash can. Doing that, it will get moved into trash can. You give confirmation, and now it's moved to trash can. Now if you head over to home, and on your home you should find your trash. Now let's head over to admin again first, and there you'll see trash. Tap on this trash option, and to finally delete this completely, you can simply press on this and delete it from here as well. And yeah, I will not be deleting this, but that's basically how you can delete your website from Google Analytics. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.